Welcome to Sometime 3. Today we're working with page 35. And we're going to start with something new. Today's lesson is called Decimals 1. Now then, the base 10 system. The decimal system is also called the base 10 system because everything's based on 10. Look at the first block of squares. 10 times 1 is 10. Look at the second one. 10 times 10 is 100. You can count them if you like, but believe me, it's true. Now look at the bottom set of blocks. 10 times 100 is 1,000. Well, if you've nothing to do for the next 40 minutes, you could count them all. But believe me, 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 100 is 1,000. If you multiply by 10 or 100 or 1,000 and so on, it's quite easy. If you multiply a whole number by 10, you simply add a 0, like this. 12 times 10 equals 120. You see, we added a 0 to 12 and it made 120. 102 times 10 equals 1020. We just added a 0. So 102 times 10 is 1020. It couldn't be easier, could it? Now, if you want to multiply a whole number by 100, you simply add 2 zeros, like this. 12 times 100, add 2 zeros to 12, equals 1200, or 1200. 102 times 100, add 2 zeros, and you get 10200, and that we say is 10,200. So 102 times 100 is 10,200. It's incredibly easy, don't you think? Now then, if you wish to multiply by 1,000, you simply add 3 zeros to the whole number. Let's try these in your head. 13 times 10. What do? We add a 0. So 13 becomes 130, 130. 17 times 100 times 100, so we add 2 zeros, so 17 becomes 1700, which is the same as 1,700. 10 times 15? Well, that was a bit sneakier, but we add a 0 to the 15 and we get 150. Now, 180 times 1,000, wow, that looks difficult. But it's not. We're multiplying by 1,000, so we add 3 zeros. So now we get 180,000, which is 180,000. Very easy. Do the rest yourselves.